This patch is going to be available on our Etsy shop, so if anybody want to pick up this Drake patch, you're more than welcome to do so. It's going to be this design right up here. I am live streaming from the phone, so the colors might not look exact. Going live for the first time, doing some stitching out. For anyone that missed it, we are going to be making this Drake patch right here, as you can see. Up on the screen, this is the design that we are going to be working on right here. Let's go ahead and get you guys back lined up. If you guys can hear that machine stitching, go ahead and give me a 1 in the chat. The number 1 in the chat if you can hear that audio. All right, so it's time to go ahead and change that first color. Let's go ahead and get it changed up here. Let me adjust the angle for you guys can see me as I change this color. All right, you guys, we're going to be changing to that beige color right there. So let me go ahead and just trim it here. I got some chill hop on in the background. A little soothing music for y'all to listen to when it's come time to changing these color threads. We are using the Brother Persona. It is a single needle machine, so we gotta change each color manually. We don't have multiple needles on here. All right, I just pulled the thread through. Let me change the angle so you guys can see what's going on. The camera might be a little shaky. Here we are right here. Let's go ahead and get that automatic threader in place. Snip it, pull it through. Perfect. All right, y'all, we're gonna keep on stitching out. We're gonna keep it on stitching. Let me zoom out for you guys. Shout out to Slangin' Bricks. Be sure to check out that channel. All right, let me adjust the camera so you guys can be in focus. All right, let's keep it going. We are stitching out a Drake patch. I'm gonna keep letting people trickle into the live as we keep on going. We keep on stitching. Let's see.